What is the true taste of pho? To make the true taste of Saigon Pho, Sen Organic Small Plate only uses house-made imported Vietnamese spices and locally grown organic vegetables. Culantro, Vietnamese Basil, Vietnamese Peppermint, Bean Sprouts and Serrano Pepper, Organic Lime, house-made gluten-free organic Sriracha sauce and Hoisin sauce. Sen Organic Small Plate, made with the traditional Saigon recipe, is sure to satisfy your taste buds. You can find all the ingredients at Sen Organic Farmers Market.